At Danfoss, we are both proud and very excited to welcome Bock among the Danfoss family. Together, we are truly a natural fit. Both Bock and Danfoss is sharing a lot of same values. We are both for many years in the refrigeration industry, developing innovative and energy efficient, high quality solutions. That's a passion of both companies. At Danfoss, we have a lot of compressors to offer to the market. We have a lot of solutions. But if we take an example like in food retail, we have everything. We have valves, we have controls, we have digital solutions, we have heat exchangers, but we are missing the compressor. And this is actually what we are getting now with Bock. So to be able to make a complete and full solution to the food retail and the supermarket, to all our customers on a global scale.
Bock made a very good development over the last years. So what we see right now is that together with Danfoss we have excellent opportunities in the future. We can enlarge our global reach, we can go to other countries, we can develop products together with the customers. We have the compressor portfolio, we have the production capacities, we have people who know more than 90 years what they are doing here. And this is an excellent opportunity for us, both of us, I must say. Danfoss is known for energy efficiency, sustainability and for green power. That is also some values where Bock is standing for. We are highly efficient, we have good compressors, we are looking towards to net refrigerants, so it's really a perfect fit.
Bock is not new to Danfoss. For many years we have been representing Bock in Latin America, selling their compressors. But now coming together, we do not only have a better offering to the market, but we also, as Markus mentioned, have the possibility to further co-develop the products. Together with our joint customers, we can go into the application development centers that we have within Danfoss. We can integrate the Bock solution into our digital solution offering, especially in the food retail space, and by that creating even more value for the customers. So, Markus, with all these prerequisites, a natural fit, my team is ready for all the orders. What about you?
My team is also ready for this.
Great. Let's do it together.
Let's do it together, guys.